we're going to ride. This is the 15th of January. We had some snow here in western North Carolina, and we've been itching to get out, but I live in a hole. You can see down there in front of me where the sun hits, the snow is melted. But right here where I live, the sun doesn't hit till late in the day. It's over past 2 o'clock. I put some screws in my tire. I don't know that I'll need them. I just had these. I thought, well, I'll put them in. What else I got to do? So I'm going to take off here, and you can see it's melted where the sun hits, but and probably melted all over there. Got 15 miles of single track that we ride, and so we'll see what happens here. See how this thing does with this screws in the back. Yesterday I was out here where I've ridden a little bit, and slide spins a little bit, but not like I thought it might. I'm interested in seeing how it will do up our road climb. You see, snow, no snow, no snow. In fact, I walked up through here the other day, and the trail was dry. To get over here, I may want to be taking these screws out. I've got a little more air in the back tire than I normally run. It's dry right there. The sun hits this earlier in the day. This is going into Wayne's World. Going into this, you see snow up in that where the sun doesn't get in there, but on this ridge line, probably going to be mostly melted off, but there's some roots and some rock that can be in the way. That root right there. As long as you can keep momentum on these roots and places, it'll just go. But you got to keep momentum. See these roots? Getting into a little snow. So far so good, but I'm not to the critical spot. There's a place right up here that could be bad. And you see this where snow's not melted off completely. But I'll tell you what, I'm not slipping any. This right here, you got just turn right here. No problem. So I've got a pretty decent as far as gummy wise tire on the back. It's not one of the really extreme gummies. It's sort of a medium gummy. A lot of guys run them around here because they last a little longer. But this one was one somebody else took off of their bike, and I I'll run that thing. Thing's not bad. I'll run it. And I've been running it. And buddies is, and you run crap that everybody else has wore out, and you run it and still make tractions with it. Now you get on top of this, top of the ridge line. I just come from right down in there where you can see that snow. That's where it just came from. I come up and get in the sun, and it's good. Oh, this is fine riding. This is dry, comparatively speaking. With the all the trees off, it's hard for me to even see my own trail. Not been over here enough. I can't even tell where it is. Yep, I'm off trail. I don't even know where my trail is. Can't see it. I hope I don't hit one of those old logs that laying crossways in the trail. I totally missed the trail I was wanting. Totally. Always dragging. Always dragging something. Always dragging. I see how no snow in here. Snow on that side, the sun doesn't hit it. I can hear them screws dragging on stuff whenever I sort of lock the back brake up. I don't know what the temperature is today, right now. This is also a test run for my mic for this camera. I'm going to Texas next month to ride the Big Bend BDR, and I want to make sure that my camera setup's going to work. I'd like to document that stuff because